Howdy y'all, it's Redbeard here. In the last video we put the Lambo doors on, and now we gotta improve the front end. As you can see here, we got a hole in the bumper from a bird and from another bird. So we need to get that fixed. And not only that, we also got a broken splitter right there. I've never taken the bumper off, so hopefully it goes smoothly. And so we got a new grill, the new shin splitter with the new liquid vinyl front splitter. So the shin splitter will sit on top of there, and the grill will obviously go right there in the car. So we're gonna have the car looking brand spanking new. No more hole there from birds. You see, a day I got this bumper, the GT350 bumper put on, same exact day on the way home, I hit a bird. That's where the first hole came from. And then about 2, maybe 3 years ago now, I hit another bird. So now there's 2 holes in the grill. My car really likes poultry. So hopefully this time the Mustang doesn't eat no more birds. So my plan is to drive onto these books, and it'll be right on the edge of the garage. So I'll give it an extra inch, another inch and a half there. That'll give me about 3 extra inches to crawl under the bumper and get those bolts off. Man, that worked out better than I thought. Plenty of room now. So now we're gonna try and get this bumper off. Whoo-wee, she is dusty. Look at all that. Damn, I really need to clean this supercharger. The outside is clean, but not the inside. But we got my handy dandy Stanley tools, and hopefully they get the job done. As you can see here, we got a bunch of bolts we gotta take off. But first, I'm going to crawl under here and take the ones off the bottom and then do the tops last. So basically, gotta get all these bolts, and we gotta cut these zip ties. Then we got all the bolts and the zip ties on the bottom. Now we just gotta take the ones on the top off, and I think the bumper should pop right off. All right, I was able to get the bumper off. Stuck it right over here. So now we gotta take the old grill out, put the new one in, take off the old shin splitter, put that one on, and then finally the LVA. All right, we moved it into the garage because it is hot as hell in Texas. Woo! It says it's 98 outside right now, but it feels like 102, and I believe it. Damn, it's hot. But we are going to do this in here. As you can see, I drag in the bumper, the grill, and the shin splitter. We still gotta do the LVA, but we're saving that for last. We're gonna put the grill on first and then move on to the shin splitter. There we go.
Got it?
Got that one off. Okay. Got it. Woo. Hopefully that was the hard part.
Right.
Should just slide right on in. There. That should hold it on for now.
Yeah.
side we want.
Oh, there she is.
That is nice.
Yeah.
We just gotta pop that middle corner in. For some reason it came off. That looks pretty nice. And here is what it will look like whenever we get it bolted on. Is drill out some holes in the bumper all the way around and then bolt it in. Then once we got this put on, we gotta put on the carbon fiber rods to hold it into the bumper. All right, we got it lined up pretty good. We taped it up. Now we just gotta flip it over and drill out some holes. There, that's one.
Yeah, because you want it tight.
That's what she said. So unfortunately, I popped off my toenail somehow while I was screwing in the splitter, so I'm done for the day. Whew, that hurts a lot. Never had that happen before. But yeah, I'll finish it later. All right, since I'm down, I got my pops over here drilling the holes, putting in the bolts for me while I'm out of commission.
That's all your damn fault.
I blame
Lift
you.
your toenail.
It's all your fault.
Yeah, you had to follow in my footsteps.
All right, it is the next day. We are going to finish up the bumper. We need to redo the rods. Can't really focus there. So my dad, he put the rods on, but they were too far apart. So I'm going to move it over about an inch or two on both sides. And then last thing we got to do is mount the bumper on the front. We got the splitter rods on. Whew. Only thing that's left is to throw it back on the car. Oh, we need to put those on too. But besides that, the hard stuff is done. My little helper here, she helped me out with my injured foot. Right, Rosie, you supervise? Yeah. And with that, it is done. We're going to leave the tape on here. I don't think it hurts anything. But yeah, that's the LVA splitter. Only thing left to do is to stick that back on the car. You know, look at that. Now, ain't that pretty? All right, we got the bumper on. The car is now complete. We got the new grille, we got the front splitter, and then we got the splitter rods to hold it in.
Red beard in the lane, got a grin like trouble. Mustang, GT curve, make the whole block buckle. Chrome on the corners, paint like a fire alarm. He don't roll these crowds, got a wild kind of charm. I seen him kill a turn like he owed the money. Big V8 talk, make the night feel funny. Hand on the wheel, eyes cold, jaw set. Every intersection nervous when he pulls that steer.